really forex is my interest, I'm thinking to let go my swimming instructor job. Just single trade, one trade itself, right? I profited about 7K. I was in a shock. Wow, how come 10 lots can earn 7K just like within 45 minutes?
Sorry, can you repeat again? How much money do you make while you were getting like the massage? Over how long?
2,000, 2.5 hours.
$1,000 in 2.5 hours.
Yeah, my name is Claudine, and I started with Callisto about 4 months ago. Before signing up their premium, right? I actually do my own trading. But I'm also a beginner trader. Then that time I was handling. I actually deposited about $200 in that personal account. But that time I haven't signed up to Callisto account yet. So I just like purely using the $200 to invest forex. So I didn't sign up any package with y'all yet. It's purely like on TikTok live. Then I just followed the signals. At that time, right, from $200, right, first 2 weeks, right, I think I've started to profit about $1,000.
Wow, $1,000.
Then
$200.
just by following your signals and attending your live stream. So after 2 weeks, then I decided, okay, why not give it a shot? Anyway, I already using my profits to withdraw that side of profits to put in with Trade. Then that first week, right, I didn't manage well. I think your guys actually noted that I actually bust my account when I just started off the first week. After that, he actually highlighted to me that I need to do my risk management well. And after that, not to open too big lot. Then from there, I manage again. So I think the second week, I almost busted my account again. So I top out another 255 into the account to made out 700 to maintain in the premium status. So the third time, right, I think that was about 1 month later, I managed to broke even. Then I don't need to top up. I almost busted my account the third time. So but I maintained the amount of 700 in Trade. Then ever since I never give up, I just continue to try, continue to attend your TikTok live, Zoom, then continue to use your signals as well. After 1 month, then you went through what is WCR.
Yes. William
Then I went
Certified
for your lesson. Yes, I went for your training for that evening. I came back home, then just nice, yeah, doing the coaching. Then I was doing cooking as well. I see, this strategy like not bad, leh. Then I took down notes. Then while cooking, I took down notes. This one like not bad, leh. You can try. Then ever since then, right, I started to use your WCR, right. Then the account, right, managed to profit 3K plus. I took out the account, then I parked inside to platform. Then I'm using your WCR strategy all the way until like maybe last month. First platform, right, I managed to profit about 1K plus USD. Then for the second platform, right, I managed to cash out 6,000 plus USD.
Wow.
Yeah.
So in total, you cashed out close to about 10,000?
10K, 10,000 Sing dollar. Yeah.
10,000 Singapore dollars. Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
And this was
Almost there.
wow, and this was after
Like
how many months?
about 4 months. Three months plus. So because that time, right, I managed my own account, my personal account, which with FX. That account, right, already profited close to Sing dollar 5K. So I managed to use the profit, right, to sign up your platform account. So in other words, I didn't use my own money, right, to come up with my platform investment. I actually used the profit that I invest, the knowledge you actually pass to me, and attending live stream and using your signals, right, to profit my other trades and my FX account, my personal one. So after that, when I knew that you're actually recruiting people to do the platform, right, I actually cancel the account to transfer the money into my platform. Since then, my second platform account, right, broke even everything. I actually profited additional 5K, about 5K Sing dollar.
Wow. Okay, so essentially what happened was you, just to recap, so that all of our viewers understand your journey. Wow, that was a very, very well well said journey. Okay, but essentially, so you started off with $200 with your own money, then you chanced upon us, and you were in our free Telegram channel, and you followed my signals, attended live streams,
That's right.
and you managed to make How much again? $1,000 from $200?
About $1,000 for 2 weeks from $200, correct? Yeah. So that is when I decided to sign up your premium VIP.
So you managed to 5x your $200 in 2 weeks by following my signals and the live streams on the free channel, and after that's where you sum the profits to sign up with us as premium.
Premium, correct. Then using the premium VIP, right? I also profited for both my personal and with Ava Trade. So I actually that time I'm actually managing 2 accounts. So Ava Trade and the other one is my personal starting off account, which is only $200.
Oh, yeah. Look at where you came. You started from $200. You profited. Of course, you lost some throughout the way, and now you're just withdrawing 5 figures in a month. You know what? Amazing job, Clark. Yep. Very proud of you. Amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Just to know and understand you a little bit better. Are you currently like employed? Like, what are you working as currently?
Actually, I'm a swimming instructor.
Swimming instructor. Oh, okay.
Swimming coach. So I earn about 4 to 5K lah. Then on top of that, I also managed to earn from forex. So that is additional.
Oh wow! So forex is your, I would say, your passive income.
Passive
your
income,
additional stream.
correct.
Wow! But Claude, you made 10K from a passive income stream. Like, not bad lah, huh?
Not bad, not bad. It's actually considered quite good. My aim is like to aim for 20K per month.
Oh, you're aiming 20K per month, but right now it means, wait, in totality, including your job and the forex, in forex, that is essentially 50K. You're very close. You're 3/4 of the way there.
Very close already, yeah. So I was thinking that if really forex is my interest, right, I'm thinking to let go my swimming instructor job. Because you have to like monitor the trade, then we have to attend the live stream. I also sometimes quite difficult to Zoom, because during some of my training lessons, I have to put on my earpiece, turn on my phone, and then just to Zoom during London market, right? Then that time, right, I'm also doing coaching. Quite difficult for me to concentrate, but I still make the effort to attend. I just plug in my earpiece, then talk to my student. I can listen whatever I can. I just stick in. Yeah.
Just to confirm, you want to quit your current job to trade full time.
Yeah,
is that it?
Correct. Yeah, forex can actually generate very good income for me. It's like, because I think last week there's one day I just happens to open out my trade without because that lot, right, was quite big. That was about 10 lots. So I didn't have the time to manage the trade because I have coaching. So I just let it run. But I knew that the trade is going to go up. So I just let it run 10 lots. Then after 45 minutes of my coaching lessons, right, I went to open up my account. Wow, I got a shock because I didn't set my stop loss, but because I know that trade, right, I followed your signals. So I just let it open because I couldn't close the trade because it's a 10 lot trade. Then I will have to close partial because it's I do the trade on my platform account. So I just let it run for 45 minutes without monitoring. Then after that, after my coaching, I just went to turn on my phone. Then I was in a shock because that trade, right, turns out to profit about 7K.
Wow.
Then I quickly slowly draw down. Okay, partial close 2 lots for 5 times. So that trade, right, earn about close to 7K. Just like following your signals only.
Wait, Claude. Wait. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you made 7K while swimming.
Yeah, less than an hour. Less than an hour. I just opened the trade before I opened the trade before I went for my lessons. So I didn't have the time to look on my phone because I have to be in the water, in the pool. So I just let the trade runs all the way until I managed to coach finish. I changed, I get myself changed. Then I open up my phone. I was in a shock because that trade, right, actually gained 7K. So I couldn't close the whole trade, right, because it's a platform account. So I have to partial close the trade for 5 times because it's a 10 lot stroke. Yeah.
Wait, Claude, sorry, I still very amazed. But can you repeat yourself? You made how much money in over how long? In how many minutes?
Okay, I saw your signals. Before I went for my lesson. That was like maybe in the evening time. I couldn't remember which day already. It was quite some time already. So I just follow your trade, and I knew that because I looked at the chart, then I knew that the signals, right, can go up, can take TP one. But I set the TP that you put in the group chat. But I didn't wait until it TP, but it actually went up quite a lot that I feel very comfortable with the amount of the profits already. So I didn't want to wait until it hit my TP. Hey, no. Hey, that one didn't set TP, but I know that it will hit the TP. So I didn't set the TP at all. So I just let the trade run through. After 45 minutes, I came out of the pool. Then that trade, right, just single trade, one trade itself, right, I profited about 7K. I was in a shock. Wow, how come 10 lots can earn 7K just like within 45 minutes?
That's
Because
really
previously I followed the trade. I monitor the trade. Then I didn't set the TP. Then my largest profit was like maybe about $600 over. So that was about close to 2K plus. That was my max profit. But before I hit the 7K, I was using your WCR method. Then but I didn't I take very small profit. I didn't let the trade runs until very long. As long as I hit about 100 plus, 200 plus, I close it already. Then got another event, right, that I went massage. I was tired, I went massage. I also do the same thing. I open up the trade. Okay, I know the trade will go down. So I didn't manage. So after my 2.5 hours treatment, I also opened a 10 lot trade. So I went for massage. 2.5 hours later, I went back to check my phone, right? Then that one, right, 400 plus times 5, about close to 200 plus or 2,000 plus.
Wait, so essentially,
Yeah.
doing your massage, you also make money just by not monitoring. And how much? Sorry, can you repeat again? How much money do you make while you were getting like the massage? Over how long?
2,000, 2.5 hours.
$1,000 in 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
While enjoying the massage.
I think 2,000 plus, 2,000, close to 2,000. Yeah, 2,005.
2,500 in 2
Yeah.
hours while enjoying the massage.
Yeah.
It's $1,000
Correct.
per hour
Yeah.
on average.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Thereabout. But because Ava trade, my capital is not big, like maybe close to 5K like that. But Ava, pop firm can, because it's larger funds, so I can open up bigger lots. Yeah. So I just try and error lor. But during my first 3 weeks handling so big funds, I don't have experience. I also don't know how they calculate the returns. It's just trial and error by investing different currency. I try out quite a number of currency, but I still stick. Okay, the one that helped me profited the most is gold and New Zealand USD.
NZD USD and gold.
Correct.
Which do you like more, gold or NZD USD?
Of course, gold lah.
Of course,
Gold
gold
I can profit so much.
I mean, of course lah.
Like 45 minutes you can profit 7K plus
Oh, that's really
So we also have a mini group mini group discussion, because I was very very quiet in my mini group discussion, because when we sign out our platform, right, we actually form small groups, like 10 members in a group. So I was quite quiet lah initially. But after that, when I start to profit already, I share with them their returns. All my members, they were like, they are very excited, I just share with them, because some of them, because we actually have the same journey. So when we just started off, right, with platform, right, we don't know. I also don't know how to actually manage that fund, because it's a 200,000 fund. I totally have no experience. So I just want to be comfortable. I just want to see the lessons that you have taught me. Then attending your Zoom and taking the signals, right? Then that is when I started to if actually this is workable. Then I started to try to follow most of your your signals. So I try and error. Actually, but just by following your signals, right, we can actually profit quite a lot. It's just that I think some of the members, right, they don't really know how to go about it. Yeah, for me, I try and error, because I also just started out about 3 to 4 months ago. I cannot say myself a very experienced trader. It's just that by a lot of try and error, because as I mentioned to you, right, I actually busted my account 3 times before. For my first account, right, I was quite lucky, because my first account didn't busted. That $200, right, profit about close to 5K USD. That account was very lucky. I never bust the account before lah. So by putting in only 200 to make 5,000. So that time when I sign up, right, it's just nice because they asked me to come for me to sign up 3 account, right, I have to pay about 3K plus. I can't remember how much we have 3K plus to sign up 3 platform account. So just nice. Then after that, after signing the platform, right, you have to pay I think close to 1K 997 USD to open a platform account. So just nice. I didn't even fork out a single of my savings. It's just using my profit to pay for everything. Yeah. Even I start out my $700, right? The beginning startup, right? I'm also using the profit that I gained from the past one week.
So essentially you're just capitalizing on your profits to just get even more profits and just expanding. Wow, that's really very
correct.
That's really very
correct. That's right.
Good.
So a lot of my friends was quite impressive You know, even my Malaysian friends, they came over. Then I shared with them about my journey. You know, they they say they are quite interested to know also lah. So I haven't get a chance because they just touched down.
Yeah. Oh, so you got to talk to them a little bit more about this later on, you see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, amazing. I mean, yeah, it's really good also, like, to have your own community. Maybe you can trade together with your friends. Wow, that would be absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Some of them, right, they also invested before, but they lose a lot of money. But I share with them that I get to know about your channel. So that I started to profit quite a lot. Even though there's a little bit of like starting off, I need to my busted account. I busted my account, so that one is a very small amount only. So I actually top out about thousand plus 1,000 plus. Because I busted my account 3 times 2 times One almost busted, but I didn't busted. I need to do a top up.
I was just thinking about what you said earlier as well. Something really caught my attention. Like you talking about on how you were very lucky on your account that never bust at all, and you managed to profit.
The first account.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is just a question like for you. Like, do you feel that trading has a lot of luck involved?
Initially, I feel a little bit. I was considering myself lucky because I meet y'all. I'm very blessed. If I continue to trade on my own style, right, I don't think I can achieve what I can achieve today.
What was your style previously?
Previously, I'm using RSI and MACD.
RSI indicators trading strategy
by using 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame.
4 hour time frame.
Yeah.
Like swing trading. In a way, swing trading RSI and MACD.
Yeah, swing trading, correct. Yeah.
And
that's about it.
Are you still using that strategy currently?
Make sure of a little bit yours and a little bit. Yeah. Still
just
a
to
little
find
bit.
confluence.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's right. But most of the profit is by using WCR.
Oh.
2% of my profit is from WCR strategy, which I find it very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable to use, and it's very easy layman term. It's just wait, you hit that, a deadline,
the resistance support.
all the time. The resistance support. Yeah, whenever you hit already, okay, I can sell. If not, at the bottom, right? I think it's time already. I can buy. It's very easy to use. I use it all the time. Then sometimes your signals also follow. Maybe I need to adjust a little bit because I'm also using RSI and MACD . So sometimes that the signals that you give it to me, right, I play along. I think maybe I should lower down a little bit because that signal, for example, is buy, right? Yeah, I see maybe there's a little bit buffer. I can go down a little bit. Sometimes when you give the signal, okay, I took the signal, but I will take reference from RSI and MACD. If the price is still a little bit further than the 80-20 rule, right, I will set it a little bit lower. If let's say that trade is a buy trade. Sometimes, right, the signals that you gave, right, it will draw down a little bit sometimes. So I realized that. So instead of using the actual signals, right, the actual figures, right, sometimes when I look, that depends on the chart. When the chart is like for example, for one hour, right, the price, right, the entering price, right, may go down a little bit lower. So I just like set it a little bit lower. Then sometimes when you hit, right, right, then I will start to profit more lor.
I see. That's a very smart way to do
You know
it.
where I'm coming from,
Yes,
right?
I know where you're coming from. I know where you're coming from. That's quite a very, very smart way. That's a very, very smart way. Yeah, you can combine both strategies. Yeah, every single trader out there is unique in their own way, whereby they have their own mentality,
Right.
their own emotions, their own strategy. So it's good that you are actively thinking like on how to which strategy to implement, what are the conditions I need to meet personally, okay, how do I combine WCR and the indicator strategy. Maybe price can still move downwards or move upwards a little bit more. So this might not be the best
Correct.
entry
Yes.
to enter. That's very, very good.
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
that's very, very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Essentially you are finding your own unique style already. Yeah, you took my
Oh, okay.
WCR and you tweak it a little bit
Yeah.
and combine with others, mix it up, and you have your own
Mm.
strat. Yeah. So Claude, very well done. That is essentially your strategy now. Just use my strategy as a base only. Yeah, that's very, very good.
Well, quite comfortable lah, because I was very surprised with the returns that I actually can get back. I was very surprised by using the training that you taught us. But because Thomas one, I find it very complicated.
Oh, Thomas,
I
very
attended his
complicated.
skill also.
Which part of it like about it? Is it the like technicalities or
Yeah. Then I would say because during his training, right, is my peak hours. So I have to listen during my coaching. So I find it a little bit difficult to catch. So all along now, like 3 months plus, I only kept using your strategy only. Because Thomas' strategy, I attended about 4 times already, but I still had difficulties to catch.
do you talk to Thomas about
Yeah,
it?
I dare not.
I dare
Because
not.
he like very I dare not.
Don't
Yeah, I
worry, don't worry.
cannot.
He won't scold you. He won't scold you.
Yes, so yeah. Okay, yeah. Maybe I'll try again.
Do give his strat
Mm,
more tries lah, because
okay.
ICT, yes, it's a little bit harder to
Mm,
master and comprehend as compared to the WCR.
mm,
But ultimately, it's
okay.
good to have the best of both worlds, whereby WCR is very retail based, but the Thomas
Mm.
ICT concept is very institutional based. So in any
Okay.
any type of market conditions, you can master both.
Mm,
You can essentially master the market.
okay.
Oh,
But very
I'm
excited
happy.
very excited. Yeah, very excited joining you all. You just put in effort, do your journal.
Yes, do journals.
Very
Very,
happy,
very
very
important.
happy. No regret. So from the money I gain, then I can make more money, Then I set a target to myself. Because initially when I started with $200, right? I told myself I make $50 one day. I just make $50 one day.
Oh, that.
Then
Oh,
after that,
okay.
$50. I set target to myself. Oh, okay. One day because $200 now you cannot make a lot of money. I just like try error using $200 to earn $50. Then I slowly increase my lot size. Then after that, like maybe second week onwards, then I thought, oh, okay, I can achieve $50 already. Then why not I try to like increase maybe I try out $100 per day. This is how I slowly set target to achieve it. Then I slowly set higher target. For now, right, maybe like close to 1,000 a day. But I didn't know that time, right, I can earn 7K in one day. At that point of time, I didn't know that I can just achieve 7,000 a day. I just set a target like maybe 1,000, one or 2,000 a day at that point of time. But I just set up the trade, went for coaching, it can turn up to 7,000. But I knew that it's not every time, right, I can make that kind of profits. Because now due to the market condition, right, there's a lot of manipulation. So now
Yes.
another thing that I learned, right, even though I profit a lot already, not all the time I'm so lucky, to have 7,000 profit trades. So I need to monitor the market. It's like I need to catch the market and find the right timing. This is what I learned out along the way also.
So, Claude, essentially to sum it up, okay, to answer this question, what were your
Mm.
goals in the beginning and how did that change after you took the payout?
Initially, my capital is so small, but I didn't stop there. But I knew that because y'all went through the pop firm introduction. Okay, I actually went for 2 times. The first time I didn't have enough capital, so I didn't sign up for the first time. So I went for a second time introduction, but that time I already had my capital already. So okay, why not I just give it a shot? Then I realized that actually that's different. So when you're trading your personal account, the return is this much. Even though like maybe I more than 20x my account, but per firm, if one day I can earn just 7,000, I just trade for maybe like one week. I can just stop trading, then wait for payout. I was thinking to like have multiple port firm accounts just to like, I just one account I trade for 1 week, right? You know, per month I can just generate maybe 50K or something. This is my thoughts lah. You know, if let's say I still continue using my old style, like just by using Alba Trade to like maybe that account is worth close to 4 5K, I don't think I can achieve like maybe 20K or even 30K. That's a different I feel. I mean, if people they already have money, right, they should go for port firm because you have the aftertaste different, the surprise different, the money that you can earn, right, is so different. It will take you a shorter time to achieve your goal lah, you know. But if let's say you were still like maintaining a 4 5K account, right, how far you can go? Maybe you need to take about 1 year time to achieve your goal. But whereas in port firm, right, like maybe 3 to 6 months you can achieve what you already wanted. This is how I feel. And look at the whole thing out.
So basically, you feel the prop firm is essentially an acceleration for you to get closer to your goal as compared to like others.
Exactly.
Very good, very good. So okay, aside from you taking on prop firms, are there any actions that you took in order to get to the goals that you set for yourself now?
As you mentioned, you have to attend the Zoom, because without attending the Zoom, I feel that I'm less I don't feel comfortable, and I feel a little bit lost if I didn't attend your Zoom. But by attending your Zoom, I roughly know how to trade. Like for example, every day 2 o'clock, you Zoom, you'll share with us the technicals and what are the good trades that you will intend to play out. Let's say that day I didn't attend your trade, right? I will not take a lot of trades. If not, I will not take trades on my own because I didn't study the market that day. I try not to take trades. But if I attended your Zoom, right, I feel more comfortable. Okay, I know roughly how the market goes. I just monitor if that day, right, you hit the entry price, right, then I just go in, then I will see that it start to profit. I just let it run, Then sometimes you will go you will do back testing. Then back testing, like for example during the weekend, if I have time, I don't need to go to church, then I will attend, because that day, right, Sunday, right, you'll go through what you will prepare for the next week. So I roughly know which are the currency that I can play on next week.
Essentially,
this is
you followed the live streams and you attended backtesting. And of course, you took the signals whenever you can.
Correct. Yeah, then for example, some of the currency, right, which is like very close to the setup point, right, then I'll just monitor. If just sometimes, right, the back testing, right, it doesn't mean that the next day or the following day it will hit the price. So we'll have to wait and monitor. So sometimes we will like Wednesday or Thursday, then it hit. So you just have to monitor. If not, you early set, or you at least set up the set sell limit or the buy limit. This is my style lah. If I attend your Sunday stream, right, you will give us the screen. I will screenshot lah. I will screenshot your sharing.
Oh, that's very smart. You screenshot my Zoom. That's very smart. That's very smart. Not many people do that.
Yeah,
very good.
Yeah, I screenshot your sharing, your slide. Then I will go and look through the market. I'll look through the market. Then I'll see the price almost hit the entry price. Then I will just set buy limits or sell limits. That depends on the market movement.
That's well done.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really I can see you really put a lot of effort in this. I mean, you really deserve this a lot. Very happy.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm also very happy also. Yeah.
Okay, so Claude, now that I know you've recently made a 10K withdrawal in like the 2 weeks, right? Do you do anything with it? Like, did it change your life in any way, or do you spend the money or anything?
I haven't spent the money. It's still inside my bank. I only received the payout a few days ago.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you intending to like spend a little bit, or what are you planning to do with the profits?
Your guys actually share with me that they have new proposal, but they haven't had the chance to speak to me because I just received the payout like maybe 3 days ago. But because these few days I was busy with my guest from Penang.
Thank you for the amazing share, the amazing journey. I just have the 2 last questions for you. So question number 1, let's just say that there is a complete beginner watching you right now. What would you say to them? Initially, I was very skeptical. I scared that I cannot scam. So I told myself that, okay lah, never mind lah, just try out your TikTok stream for 2 weeks first lah.
before signing up any premium. I was very skeptical. We don't have to pay a single cent for your screen FX cost, right? Then I don't find it beneficial because it was about, I think that was 1,000 plus Sing dollar. Then subsequent I don't, because they divide the payment for 3 installments. I don't feel comfortable, but after the first installment I dropped out because I don't feel that I gain a lot of knowledge. Well, I felt that that is a scam lah in a way. So after attending your screen, I just said, okay, why not? I just start $200 into the first personal account. Then I just try and follow your signals and your trade. I just try and error. But I did not put in the 700 with ABA trade yet. But I just tell myself, okay, why not you just try out 2 weeks? You just try 2 weeks and see how it goes. Then, wow, 2 weeks. Wow, I profit a lot already, like 1K. Then I already have 1K. I put 700 USD into your ABA trade. Then I also didn't fork out any money. I just try and I just go lor. After that, from 700, I did lost a little bit. I top up about 1,000 plus. Then I told myself, cannot. I already taste the good returns already before. I told myself, cannot give up. Why not give it a go again? So I told myself, never give up. I just try and error. If I were to give up, right, I don't think that I can achieve 2,000K per day or even 7K, or even like the last first payout, total payout is about 7K plus. So I would like to share with them that take out the challenge. You never know what you will get. For me, I felt that so surprised, like within 3 months I can earn close to 5 figure Sing dollar, like just within a very short period of time. And pot firm, I actually took me about close to 1 month to learn how to manage 200,000 account.
So to sum it all up, it is to essentially don't think, just do. Right? Just
but I think a little bit lah.
Ultimately, you still took the leap of faith. You just went ahead and do it, and despite initially facing a little bit of failure, you just persevered on, didn't give up, and you are where you are right now. That's amazing.
Never look back. Don't look back.
Don't look back.
Just go all out and try.
Okay. Very good. Yes, because what many new traders or inexperienced traders, one of their common problems that they face is that they give up very easily. Yeah, they fail to understand that in trading there are definitely ups and downs, right? You cannot just expect to win 100% of the time. I mean, Claude, you also have known. You also share with me. Initially, you also busted and lost money. I mean, I did too. I share my personal story also. So we have to understand and accept the concept of failure, of losing. Yeah, because it's how the market works. Yeah, and most importantly, it's just on how we cope with the downside, how we cope with failure, and how we bounce back from it. That's all.
But I would say the knowledge gain, right? Because initially, right, for example, 10 trades, right, I trade. Maybe I would say I only managed to profit 5 trades. But after I attended your live stream, your coaching session, your technical coaching session, right, I would say out of 100 trades, right, I only lost about 10 trades. I feel the difference because initially I'm trying out on my own. So I don't really have a lot of knowledge yet at that time. So maybe 10 trade, I managed to profit 5. But now, because I have the metrics from port firm, so out of 100 trades, like maybe 10% is my losing trade. I would consider very good already.
So essentially, you have a 90% win rate by following like me or us.
Yeah.
So I never lie whenever I see on stream, right? The 90% win rate.
Yeah, 90% win rate. Yeah.
90% win rate.
Yeah, correct.
Amazing. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, I've been trying to tell them the audience or the viewers multiple times that this is a 90% win rate, but I still understand.
It's a 90% win rate. I would say it's a 90%. Yeah, then I show my friends because my friend went through my trade history. He asked me, my friend, hey, how much you profit? I did not tell him how much I profit. I just show him my result. Then he went through. Wow. Today you take like 10 trades, you only lose 1 trade. Wow, you trade 15 times, 15 trades, you only lose like 1 or 2 trades. Wow, very good. I said, no, it's not me. I said I follow Callisto.
Good job. I mean, it's you also lah. You
Yeah,
follow it. At least you can catch and follow it.
I
So
follow it. Yeah,
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 it's
correct.
teamwork. It's
Yeah.
teamwork. It's teamwork.
Because a lot of people with trading forex experience, a lot of people they give up easily. I spoke to some of my friends. Then when I share with them that my result, then they complain, no lah, why got so easy? Forex very difficult lah. I lost so much money. I lost I cannot manage the stress because it's like one day you can lose about few $100. Some even share with me like they lost about $1,000. No lah, a lot of people just say forex cannot make it one lah. They said no leh. I actually gained quite a lot of knowledge and I profited quite a lot. Some of them I showed them like really meh? Really meh? They said, oh yeah, this is how I started off lah. Initially I also have losses lah. But I showed them my history. They were like, wow, really you can profit so much ah. You know, a lot of people like start questioning me lah, you know. Is it you trade one ah? You trade your own self ah? Yeah, I also follow some of the signals lah. A lot of people don't believe. A lot of people because you know lah, a lot of traders they are guys ma. They cannot make it. Then someone I'm a lady, then I have this kind of result. They thought that I lie.
It's okay. The whole Callisto community will back you. It's actually just ask them join our live. You can see already. I also say 90%. Don't worry. I also say 90%. Some people don't believe me also, so it's okay. It's not you.
But
Don't
having a
believe.
lot of fun sometimes quietly, sometimes quietly sit behind the Zoom watching y'all having fun, y'all laughing, also quite fun in a way. Even though I quiet down there, didn't respond.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
it's all about because I understand. I said this one, like training can be sometimes be a little bit dry, a little bit technical, a little bit boring. You treat yourself. Yeah, so that's why with a community, with friends around, trade together, have fun.
Yeah.
It will definitely improve the trading experience. That's why we also started Callisto.
In a very short period of time that I can achieve this, very good already. Because I have other friends trading for 2-3 years also don't have this kind of result.
Need to take the correct steps. Need to have someone there to push and edge you on. That's what Callisto was about. Like everyone is just very positive. That's why whenever I see negativity around, I cannot stand it. I'll just remove. I do not want the poison to just seep into the rest of the community. But you have worked with us for quite some time already, like we in Callisto for quite some time already. So how was our process structured in a way so that you could achieve the results that you got currently?
I mean, they do a very good job in follow-up. They make sure that I understand how to read indicators. They run through. They have this system every week. They will like spam me with the trainings videos for my first month. Hey, sis, are you ready? New training stuff. You want? Okay, come. Then I just like obediently just watch, just keep watching. Then somehow, okay, I roughly know the jargon already, what you are sharing. Because initially I totally have no ideas what you are sharing because you all have a lot of technical jargon which I don't understand. So your guys actually do a follow-up, send me videos, ask me to watch. I think from there I start to learn. Then after that, if I have problems, right, I just text them. They reply very efficiently. They have questions like, for example, when I just started off, how they also do a very good follow-up, like 2-3 days. They will, hey, how's your account doing? Is everything okay? So I feel very comfortable, like because they actually treat us like a family. Unlike the previous one, right? I traded with them, right? They just money sucker, just like call for money, pay, but follow up like how are we doing during our trading journey because they call for funds every 3 months. I feel that I didn't gain a lot of knowledge. So their follow-up skill is not very good also. So in the end, after the second installment, right, I feel stopped in them. Then as you all mentioned, you all earn so much money already. Then giving free of charge knowledge, right? Don't need to charge a single cent. Why since you all making money, why are you all still charging the student money for for the course? Which until now I still believe it. But because you all really never charge us a single cent, it's just that we top up 700 just to become your premium. And I feel that I've profited so much and I get so much benefits. Then we also have the pop firm group, Telegram group. I mean, a lot of them have problems, right? They just ask questions there. Then our questions can be like handled very efficiently, very fast. We can get the answer. Like for example, my payout for my pop firm, because I waited for maybe like 25 or 26 days for my first payout because I don't have any idea how to do everything. I think I remembered I just text Wei Hao. Then Wei Hao just guide me through.
Yeah.
Then I just follow the way. Then like maybe 1 week later, I get my cash payout already very fast. Yeah, a lot of people may think, I share my other friends also like, scam or not? Is it scam or not? They go and Google and find the review of Nova. Then got some bad reviews ah. Then one of my girlfriends, wow, they said, 哥你要小心这个很像是 scam Then she said, 哥你要小心这个可能是一个 scam 你放多少钱进去可能你拿不回钱已经不可以打猎了 cannot jump break already. Cannot jump break already. Then never mind lah, I just be careful, I just try out lor. Then I said, okay, I try out. Then after that I ask question. Then after that, like maybe I just wait lor, wait for after 25 days. Actually have the money already coming into my bank already. I said, this is not a scam. Definitely it's not a scam. If not, until today I won't have received my 2 payout already.
Amazing, wow.
Okay, but I make a lot of friends also. So we also have our pop up discussion group. The guys are very fantastic. They'll update the market movement. Then we give support to each other. Because some of our members, right, they still are having a little bit of drawdown. Then they will share lor. Then some of us will like encourage them, every one of us will actually experience this kind of thing. Don't give up. Initially, my profile, the first day, right, I already drawn down about close to 6-7K.
And you bounced back, you just flew all the way up to.
Yeah,
wow.
that's right. And I just share my experience with them. Then every one of them, they just feel very encouraged. But I feel good because we really like work in a team, not like your admin. We also have Wei Hao, and Zahil in
Danny
our
also, right?
Danny also. Yeah, whenever we have problems, right, we just text them they will just reply very efficiently. Yeah, whenever we get help, all our helps can get easily. Then for admin, they have any problem, they also get back to me very soon. Then we also have this mini group. This mini group is people from around the world. We have Singaporean, we have people from Australia, then we have people from Malaysia. We have very good bonding. Then we'll check with each other. How are you? 2-3 days we never reply the message. Then they will start to push. Are you okay or not? 2-3 days I get from you. Like every one of us is like very caring towards each other in a way. Yeah, I think this kind of community is hard to find. Where to find? All the time traders, they only trade at home by themselves. If let's say I don't have this kind of community with me, I also don't think that I can go that far also.
Same thing. Like if I didn't find Nick, I didn't find Thomas, I didn't find Leonard, I wouldn't be here where I am today. It probably would take me additional maybe 5 to 6 years. Yeah, so it's really very important to be in a community like this. That's why Callisto was set up to just bring in everyone, all like-minded individuals have the same goal. They really want to make it in trading and just encourage each other and just work it out.
Even though there's a little bit setback on and off if we don't have failure, how can we achieve our how can we like next step closer to our goals, right? This is what I also want to share with people out there. Just don't be fearful to make mistakes. And the more mistakes you make, right, is another step closer to your goals, your achievements. Yeah, if let's say I'm afraid, if I'm too afraid, I lost so much money, I made so many mistakes. If I just give up like that, right, I don't think like I can achieve 7K, close to 10K USD draw payout. Yeah, I would like to encourage the people out there that just go for it. They'll never know what are the returns are. Well, for me, I didn't ask much for return. Maybe I just asked for like 1 to 2K first payout. But I didn't expect that my second payout, the second account payout, first payout, right, I can receive about 6K. I didn't thought that I can achieve that also. Yeah, after that payout, right, wow, even best. In one day I can earn 7K. Yeah, I never know. I also never know. If I never try, if I stop halfway, I give up halfway, right? I will not have all this aftertaste, the knowledge that I gain from my failures.
Really outstanding, really outstanding. I can hear your determination, hear your will, your sheer will on really want to make this work and everything. This is really, really amazing. Like I've talked to many of of other traders out there, new traders, and they don't really put in as much effort as you do in like trading, as you do in like taking down notes, pointers, and everything. Yeah, so there's a reason why you're here today. I mean, yes, partially, right? It can come from like, oh, you listening to my stream, you're taking signals, but ultimately it's also on you as well, whereby you took actionable steps, like you do your journaling, you seek help when you need help. Yeah, you ask questions, and you actually went ahead to take additional steps to monitor the market and look for your own setups as well, and try to understand how the strategy works, which is really commendable.
Right.
And I really like salute to that.
Mm.
Yeah, well done, Claude.
Thank you. Thank you.